Hi guys, so this is going to be a walkthrough of how to download things that you need from Python, the Python libraries to get started. So first thing you do is if you follow the link on our website, it'll take you to this Python page, and there's a whole lot of information here. What you really want to do is scroll down to this section, depending on whether you're using a PC or a Mac. There's going to be some relevant instructions here. One piece is for Windows, which version of your operating system are you running? So are you running the 64-bit? And way to check. So if you just go down to the search and look at the system information, you can scroll down here, and we are using a 64-bit based PC for this computer, but check that on your computer too, so we can get to the appropriate file. Then what we're going to do is scroll down to the actual download file. And you can see it's organized by operating system. So Mac users are going to take one of the installers up here, Windows, the correct one down here. So we're using, again, the 64-bit, and we're going to take the executable installer. So executable file is a file that you're going to run on your actual computer. So it's downloading it here, and we have quite a bit to download, so it's going a little bit slow. But you'll notice the file extension here is .exe. That's an executable file, which means when I open this file, it is going to begin running the program that will install Python for me. And what we might do is chop out the little section of this video so we don't have to wait for it to download. And then
a few moments later.
All right, so you can see it is finishing up its download now. So I have a few options. I could just click on the link here. I could also go to Downloads folder and find it there. So I'm just going to click on this link here. And you can see it's opening this executable file. And I'm going to tell it to install now. I'm just going to use all the default, although if you'd like to, you can customize implementation. But for our purposes, I would just say install. Give it permission to install on your computer. And it should do the majority of the rest. So again, this is going to allow your computer to have access to all of the libraries that are necessary for explaining the Python language to your computer. Since it is a different language, this is like downloading all the dictionaries about Python so that we can look up words, or your computer can look up words and phrases and grammar and things along those lines. All right, so setup was successful. We can close now. If we're new, there's an online tutorial that you can look through. This option here, disable the path length limit, says changes your machine configuration to allow programs, including Python, to bypass the 260 character max path limitation. That's the path from where something's located. So just like your URL says, go to the web first, and then all these subfolders until I get to the thing I actually want. Same thing on your computer. So you might go C drive, documents, Python folder, et cetera, et cetera. So we're going to just say disable that so that we don't have any issues that might stem from that if we end up having a very long path name. But otherwise, we are all done and ready to start using Python on our computer. All right, bye now.